What if we could upload our consciousness? Not just your memories, but you, yourself, your very sense of I. Would you become immortal, or would you simply end as a new version takes your place? To upload consciousness, we'd need to perfectly scan a brain and transfer that information into a digital medium, effectively turning neurons into code. This is called Whole Brain Emulation, WBE. WBE includes 3 key elements. 1. Connectomics, mapping every synaptic connection in the brain. 2. Functional emulation, reproducing how neurons fire, including their timing, modulation, and plasticity. 3. Substrate independence, the idea that consciousness can run on any medium, be it neurons, silicon, or quantum chips, so long as the pattern is preserved. There are, however, some significant barriers that stand in the way of making meaningful progress in this field. Scanning resolution, we'd need voxel-level imaging down to nanometers. Current bests, like from the Human Connectomy Project, are still macro-scale. Dynamic state capture. A living brain changes in real time. Would a static snapshot of your connectomy be you, or just a version of you frozen in time? Storage and processing. Your brain holds roughly 2.5 petabytes of data, but the processes may require exascale computing. One of the key philosophical questions to answer is, are you still you after uploading? Let's say the upload works, it feels like you, it thinks like you, it remembers your dog, your first kiss, your favorite tea. But is it really you, or just a high-fidelity clone? Imagine this. You step into a machine that disassembles you atom by atom and reassembles you somewhere else. Are you still you? Some would say you are a digital copy. There are 2 theories which would suggest you would be more than just a copy. Continuity theory. If your psychological narrative continues, you are the same person. And patternism theory. You are the pattern, not the meat. If the pattern continues, so do you. Physicalist theory, however, suggests that only this body and brain are you, meaning that an uploaded version of you is just that. A version of the real thing, but not the person you were, like the ship of Theseus. An ancient ship which, over the years, has had every single part replaced. Surely it's not the ship it was, and what if we make multiple uploads, each believing they're you? Then which one is you? What happens if they disagree with the original or evolve differently? Then there is the consciousness question. Even if we simulate everything, your memories, your quirks, your reasoning, does that mean the program is conscious? This is the hard problem of consciousness. Why does brain activity feel like something from the inside? A simulated mind might act conscious, but is it just faking it? Would an upload be philosophically alive or a clever zombie? AI today passes Turing tests in narrow domains, but consciousness isn't about behavior, it's about subjective experience. We call this qualia, the redness of red, the pain of heartbreak. Can that ever be digitized? But moving past the question of who you might be, who would own you? If your upload is stored by a corporation, can it be paused or replicated? Maybe mortality gives life urgency, and uploading strips us of something deeply human, our impermanence. Maybe the goal of life isn't to run forever, but to burn brightly, once